Hello, today I'm showing you how to use the code snippets I provide on my blog to add a catalogue link to the sidebar of your blog. Okay, so I'm just in my test blog here and we want to go to layout, and then you'll see that you've got all of your different elements for your blog layout here. Yours will be different from mine, obviously, but what we want to do is then go to the sidebar where you want to add your catalogue and look for the add a gadget option. Click that. And the one that you want to select is the HTML and JavaScript one, okay, which then gives you this box which you're going to put the code in, and then the option to add a title. Now I'm going to start off by adding a title, and we'll see what that does in a second. I'm just going to call it catalogue. I'm going to then hop to the WordPad document that's got the code snippet in, and I'm going to copy the whole snippet. Okay, just going to copy that and then paste it into that box. Okay, and then if I click save, that's going to add that element to my blog, and you can see that that message has popped up telling me that that's been added. And then if I click view blog, I can open the blog in another tab, and you'll see that that catalogue has been added in my sidebar. Okay, now if I hop back to Blogger, I can obviously drag and drop, okay, and arrange this differently. Okay, I've got the save icon down here. This is the new kind of version of the Blogger interface, which is going to be the default for everyone by the time we get to the end of June. Okay, so you can test it out now if you haven't looked already. Again, I'm just going to hop back in, and you'll see that I've been able to just shift that around in my sidebar. Now, a little word on the title. Okay, if you have a title in that title box, then it will appear on your blog. So you'll see for some of these other ones, I actually don't have a written title in that style. I'm using different design elements. The only way to achieve that in Blogger on this kind of simple template is very, very easily just to remove that title from the title box. Okay, and then again, if I refresh that, you'll see that that title has disappeared. Now in this context it might actually be useful to leave that title in, but like I said, if you were using an image or something else, or you've got design elements in there, it might not fit with your design. That does, however, make it a little bit confusing when you're moving these around. So just remember that when you are doing a bit of rearranging, you can always add a title in temporarily and then delete it when you've got everything in the right order. Okay? Let me know if you have any problems with that, especially if you can't get the icon to center. Just give me a shout and I can help you figure that out, because some templates are slightly different with how they deal with the different bits of the HTML code. So there are a couple of different ways of getting it to center, but hopefully the code that I've given you should give you a centered catalogue icon in your sidebar.